Okay, we are here to talk to you about probably one of the greatest inventions in adjustable bases, right? Adjustable bed bases are life-changing for a lot of people, especially if you're an elderly person or someone that just in the middle of the night, it's dark, you can't reach the bed and you want to reach something. We're going to show you how this works because really it is life-altering. So any adjustable base, we're going to say, we can try and help you integrate voice into your bed. So let's just say this bed right here, I'm just going to show you. This is a bed that has zero gravity, goes flat, head up, feet up. I'm going to show you how this works with voice. So this bed we've named Jarvis. You can call it one of the other 4 names you'd like to use, but I'm going to show you how this works. Hello, Jarvis.
I'm here.
Zero gravity position.
Reading position.
So the bed's just going to go to the position I told it to in the middle of the night. It's dark. And so it's going to do everything in this remote needs. So no longer do I need this remote because I can't find it in the middle of the night anyway. So we're laying in the bed. You fell asleep in this position because it's so comfortable, and you say, hello, Jarvis.
I'm here.
Go flat. Flat position.
Flat position.
And the bed's just going to go flat. I didn't have to reach for a remote. I didn't have to find a remote. It's the middle of the night. It's dark. I can't see anything anyway. Bed goes flat. So many use positions, right? So 1, if you can't find the remote. 2, if you just can't reach the remote. 3, if you've had surgery. 4, if you're just in a position where you can talk, but you can't do anything else. The other great thing about this is this isn't Wi-Fi based. It's really plugged right into the bed, so it's just going to work no matter whether you have internet or not. The bed will just work. Forget about the remote, just use voice.